Hey guys, Steve here with Alldogs Offroad, and I'll tell you what, I hate a squeaky leaf pack, and I'm sure you do too. If you're suffering from this, never fear. I'm going to run through some common areas that squeak in the leaf pack, kind of give you an idea of how to identify it and a way to tackle that. So this is my 2011 Nissan Frontier. The leaf pack that's on it is about 2 years old, and it's our Alldogs Offroad leaf pack. Great leaf pack, no problems with it, but if you have, regardless of what leaf pack you have, OEM, Old Man Emu, Dobinson's, Alldogs Offroad, you know, whatever, leaf packs eventually do squeak. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some common places to check and some remedies to that. So the first step is going to be, we're going to take off our wheels and tires to be able to get a good look at the leaf pack. Got those taken care of. Off we go. And there's that. So we'll take you in here, give you a look, give you a peek at what we're looking at. So Alldogs Offroad leaf pack. We got the military wrap in the front. We got a U-bolt flip kit. We have a 2-inch shackle in the rear with remote res Radflow coilovers. This bump stop is in a temporary location. I'm eventually going to relocate it right here because that's where it ideally should be. But let's take a look at this leaf pack and figure out the common squeak points on it. Alright, so the first thing overall that I would recommend checking first and foremost is at the underneath your leaf pack, the tips of your leaf are going to be equipped with a UHMW pad. And what this does is it's going to make it quiet as your leaf pack cycles. You can kind of see that this pad has a rubbing area where it rubs up and down on the leaf pack. Sorry, my light just cut out for some reason, but yeah, these liners are the first things that you want to check. You want to make sure that you're not missing any. If any of these are missing from your leaf pack, that could be a cause for noise during suspension travel. Now, your bottom 1 or 2 leaves aren't going to have one, and that's because the leaf simply doesn't flex enough to warrant it. You can kind of see that it travels, the longer the leaf is, the more travel it has at the end. So that's one of the first things that you're going to want to check. And if that is the case, you can source new ones, or, you know, see if you can find where it went or whatever, you know, but that's the first thing that you're going to want to check. So the second thing that you want to check is you're going to want to make sure that your leaves haven't gone cockeyed within the pack, because if they do, what's going to happen is that they're going to contact the side of this clamp, and as the suspension travels, you're going to hear it squeaking on this. So one thing that you can do, if that is the case, make sure that all of your leaves are nice and in line, and if they're not, just, you know, grab a hammer, tap it into place, and if it's still contacting these clamps, you could tap them out of the way a little bit with a hammer, and that should give you the clearance that you're going to need to not have to worry about any of that noise. Anything else after that, any noise after that is probably going to be bushing related. So in your shackle, you have a bushing where the leaf pack meets the shackle. You have a bushing where the shackle meets the frame, and then up here you have a bushing where the leaf pack mounts to the frame itself. So that would be the next thing to check out. One of the common terms used is something along the lines of leaf packs creak, shackles squeak. I believe that's what it is, yeah. So if you're hearing like a higher pitched squeaking sound, we can pretty fairly limit or isolate that down to the bushings. But, you know, if there's a creaking noise, it's pretty easy to determine it's going to be related to the leaf packs. The packs themselves are going to be relatively quiet. It's just the accessories that are on it, like the clamps and the bushings and everything like that. So that's one of the most important things to check in your leaf pack. I'm also going to do a little bit of maintenance on these. I'm going to pull them out, clean them off, and because they're, you know, they haven't been touched in about 2 years. So I'm just going to take them out and clean them up. Totally optional. Most of this troubleshooting you can do just the way that we are right now, but just so that you guys can get a little bit better view on what's going on under here, I'm gonna pull it apart for you guys. All right, I got the leaf pack out of the truck, and now I'm just gonna tear it down and start cleaning it up. You can see we got the military wrap here on the performance pack. And yeah, so let's get started. I'll take you over here to see what we're looking at now. So no leaf pack in. We got our rad flows just kind of hanging out. These are, I had these made custom length. There was no part number that got the full droop potential out of our leaf packs, so I had these ordered custom, and I like them quite a bit. They ride really well, even at higher speeds off-road, so big shout out to Ride Flow on that. So get this cleaned up and we'll get this put back together. Hey guys, I realized that some of the footage unfortunately got corrupted when I was transferring it over from my computer, so I'm just going to give you a quick summary. Got the leaf packs all put back together on the truck. Rides great. As far as squeaking goes, there is one thing that I forgot to cover. Old Man Emu leaf packs on the eyelet, they actually have a separate sleeve that is pressed into the eyelet, and sometimes that sleeve can rotate and cause some squeaking noises. So that's one other thing to check if you're hearing a lot of noise on your Old Man Emu leaf pack. But we don't have those on our Alldogs packs, and it's relatively exclusive to the Old Man Emu packs. So that's just one more thing to check. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope that kind of helped set you on the right path. One other thing that is that you can do is hit your packs with a silicone-based lubricant. There's WD-40 silicone. There's all that different stuff. That'll help get in there with the pads to quiet that down a little bit, and you can hit your bushings pretty safely without having to pull everything apart. So those are just a couple things that you can try. As always, if you need any more help, just leave a comment, shoot us a message. We always we'd be happy to help you service the leaf packs that we get you guys. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the